Dude, this racing is fucking amazing. Oh, Riggs out the wall. God damn it. I mean, I shut out the name white. Woo! He said, I'm on the picture. Let's get it through. Hose are on the P2. Let's fucking go. Just looking for any area you can find on the straightaway. Oh, wow. Get past Tony Browninger there on the bottom. Oh, that was a nice move. That was hot. Oh, Caution is such a good fucking driver. Whoa! 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 Oh my god, he fucking saved it. Holy shit. Wow! Yeah! Woo! Great job by Chastain. Of course, Carson Hocevar now gaps the field, right? Gets a little bit of lead, but let's oh, he's wiggling. Why is he shaking it? Something's going on with Hocevar. No. I will kill myself. There's some debris on the back. Will that bring out a caution? I don't know if my heart can handle a caution. Somebody's got a flat. Oh, it needs to bring out the damn caution. It needs to. There it is. And the caution is out. Lane Riggs is on pit road. Oh, it's probably Riggs's. You called it Regan. Wow. So much here over the past 5-6 laps. Oh my god. We really needed a break, didn't we? We gotta size this thing back up and see who's gonna do what. And that trouble. Jesus. If we go back to that and we see the tire on the racetrack, that was a result of the contact he made off of turn 2 into the wall. And these trucks are metal bodies, very easy to get a fender knocked in onto the tire, in which case it cuts it down. So that was the result. This is what caused good lord. For Lane Riggs. He just gets too wide off turn 2. So that Ross save again. So that Ross save that thing that save. Oh my god. The truck wants to be getting tight right there. We saw the trucks out in front of him taking some of the air off of him, and just classic Michigan, right? Who the hell's gonna win this race? This is the best racing ever. Oh, thank goodness they're showing this. And you see the reason why Hocevar is concerned about that left rear right there, but watch what. Oh my god. He's got his foot wide open, Regan. Foot wide open. He's steering back to the right. He's waiting for that truck to catch, and you see the tire marks it left as it caught. Wow. He's waiting for it to catch. Wow. Come back over to the left rear of the truck, and when that happens, you've got to be steering back to the right before that happens in order to keep it straight. And by the way, Ross is doing all this at 185 miles an hour. I know that was instant replay, slow motion. That was so hot.